21. Burst, burst, burst.
The balloon bursts easily. The balloon burst suddenly. The balloon has burst already. The balloon was burst by the sharp needle.
22. Buy, bought, bought.
I buy food every morning. I bought a new book yesterday. I have bought a new phone. A new phone has been bought by me.
23. Catch, caught, caught.
I catch the bus at 7 a.m. I caught a cold last week. I have caught the train on time. The ball was caught by the player.
24. Choose, chose, chosen.
She chooses the blue dress. She chose the red one yesterday. She has chosen her answer. The winner was chosen by the judge.
25. Cling, clung, clung.
The child clings to his mother. The child clung to his mother. The child has clung to her all day. The rope was clung to by the climber.
26. Come, came, come.
They come to school early. They came late yesterday. They have come home safely. The decision has been come to by the team.
27. Cost, cost, cost.
This bag costs a lot of money. It cost me $50. It has cost me too much. A lot of money has been cost by this bag.
28. Creep, crept, crept.
The cat creeps quietly. The cat crept into the room. The cat has crept away. The room was crept into by the cat.
29. Cut, cut, cut.
I cut vegetables every day. I cut my finger yesterday. I have cut the paper already. The cake was cut by her.
30. Deal, dealt, dealt.
He deals with problems calmly. He dealt with the issue well. He has dealt with many cases. The problem was dealt with quickly.
31. Dig, dug, dug.
They dig holes in the garden. They dug a deep hole. They have dug the ground. A hole was dug by the workers.
32. Do, did, done.
I do my homework every day. I did my homework last night. I have done my homework. The homework has been done.
33. Draw, drew, drawn.
She draws very well. She drew a picture yesterday. She has drawn many pictures. A picture was drawn by her.
34. Dream, dreamt, dreamed.
I dream every night. I dreamt or dreamed about my childhood. I have dreamt or dreamed of success. A strange dream was dreamt by him.
35. Drink, drank, drunk.
I drink water every day. I drank coffee this morning. I have drunk enough water. The water has been drunk.
36. Drive, drove, driven.
He drives to work daily. He drove fast yesterday. He has driven for hours. The car was driven by him.
37. Eat, ate, eaten.
We eat rice every day. We ate pizza last night. We have eaten already. The cake was eaten by the children.
38. Fall, fell, fall in.
Leaves fall in autumn. He fell off his bike. He has fallen asleep. The tree was fallen by the storm.
39. Feed, fed, fed.
She feeds the dog daily. She fed the dog yesterday. She has fed the animals. The dog was fed by her.
40. Feel, felt, felt.
I feel happy today. I felt tired yesterday. I have felt better recently. Happiness is felt by everyone.